Do you say I is playing with my new football in the garden? Stop. That is completely wrong. Most students make these silly mistakes every single day without even realizing it. In this video, let's look at 10 English sentences which are spoken incorrectly and learn how to fix them instantly. Let's see the correct form of this sentence. I am playing with my new football in the garden. This is the correct form. Children, am very happy today. This is not the correct form of the sentence. Can you guess? Can you think of the correct answer? The children are very happy today. My mother are cooking delicious food in the kitchen. It's not a correct sentence. Then what should be the correct one? My mother is cooking delicious food in the kitchen. Elephants is the largest land animals. This is again another incorrect sentence. What will be the correct sentence? Elephants are the largest land animals. They am going to visit the zoo tomorrow. This is totally incorrect. They are going to visit the zoo tomorrow. The mangoes is very sweet and juicy. The correct form is the mangoes are very sweet and juicy. Rahul and Rohit am best friends. Isn't it a correct? Isn't it an incorrect sentence? Yes, let's correct it. Rahul and Rohit are best friends. You is a very kind boy. Again, an incorrect sentence. Let's fix it. You are a very kind boy. I are 7 years old. It's again incorrect. I am 7 years old. Look, the birds is flying in the sky. What's incorrect? Let's fix it. Look, the birds are flying in the sky. At the end of the video, I would like to tell you there are more 10 sentences for practice in the description box. Want to test your skills even more? Just go to the description box and try to fix them and type your answers in the comments to see if you get a perfect score. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun English videos. See you next time.